How are you guys today? Just wanted to kind of make a video, get one out there posted on my channel and get it kind of started. And what my channel is really going to be about is mainly DIY things and woodworking. Been doing a lot of that since I was real young guy. It's just a passion of mine is to be able to make stuff, fix things, and woodworking always has come to be a really easy thing for me to do. But what I'm wanting to do here is just to reach out to everybody in the community, whether you have a channel or not. Give me some ideas of what you would like to see and what you would like to see me do or fix or make or anything like that. And once I do start putting videos out there like that, please feel free to comment on them and to say, hey, Chris, you need to do this, or you need to speak more clearly, because I know that's going to come up because I'm not a very good spokesperson or speaker. Sometimes I ramble on a lot. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'm just kind of soft-spoken about things. But what I'd like to do is just to, work on my passion, which is making things and woodworking, and to show people stuff. So please feel free to come along with me on my journey here. Like I said before, Chris's workshop is going to be mainly a DIY channel for woodworking. I'd like to branch out in some other things that I know how to do, auto mechanics, things like that, home repair. I've done a lot of that in my years of working on the side and for a full-time position. Right now, I am a CNC machinist and programmer at a local stamping plant here in Kentucky. But please, like I said before, any ideas that could help me out or anything that you'd like to know, feel free to send me a message on the comments below or in an email or however you want to do it. Just let me know what you think, and please come back, check some stuff out. Maybe I can teach you something. I know I'm going to be able to learn something from everybody that can comment on things, but please feel free. Everybody have a good day, and God bless.